Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear students, grade 5. Today the lesson is about Microsoft PowerPoint. I will show you more things. Last time I showed you how to create slides and how to design your slides themes and backgrounds and how to run PowerPoint slideshow. Well, as you know that the presentation is a part, or Microsoft Office PowerPoint is a presentation software, and it's part of Microsoft Office package. It is widely used in offices for creating business presentations. Also, the teachers can use it to make their presentation or their lesson through this PowerPoint slides. We said that PowerPoint is a series of slides. Okay, so here when I open my PowerPoint, as you know, I just have to click here to create my first slide. Well, this time I want to use I don't want to use these boxes. I want to design my own slide by myself. So I have to click here on the border of this text box and just click delete, and the same thing with this box, click delete. Okay, now to design this background, all I have to do is right click in the middle of the slide and go to format background. In the format background, my dear students, like I teach you, you have so many ways here to fill your background, either with a solid fill, just by selecting a solid fill and selecting the color, automatically your slide will take that solid color. Or I have another fill, it's called gradient fill, and in this gradient fill, like you see here, either it's linear or radial. Okay, radial, it is, I mean to say, if you select this one, and radial means, linear means like this, it's like line, the color looks like line, you see, I can move the color, looks like a line, but the linear somehow, or radial somehow looks like a circle, okay, part of a circle. So you can select from which corner you want that color highlight or fade in color to be. Okay, you can definitely add two stops color. Okay, two stops color, three stops color. As you can see, I have like 3 spots here moving, and I can add one more color. Okay, and just make the transparency a little less. See, I can move it to where I want. Design your slide as you want, and you have here so many preset colors. Like you can select any you want. See, it will look like this. Okay, you can design your background color. Otherwise, like I told you before, in the design here, there's so many ready-made templates that I can choose from, right, to create my slide. But always better for you, my dear guys, is to design your own background by your own self. Okay, this is the styles for your backgrounds. Also, there's so many things that you can do. Okay, so I created here one slide. If I wanted to create another slide, I can create a new slide from here, and again, like I told you, just click on this border of the title and delete it, and click here and delete it. Make the slide looks blank. Design it by your own. Go to format background. Let's see if we took a picture or texture fill. Picture or texture fill, you have so many things here like wool, wooden, cartoon, ceramic, water. Okay, you have so many designs. Or if you want the background, okay, to look like if you want to pick a background from your clip art, for example, I'll choose this one to be my background. Look how much my slide becomes looking so nice. And just close. Now I have two slides here. Okay, two slides. And if I want to duplicate this slide with the same background, all I have to do is to click on this slide, right click by mouse and say duplicate slide. The same thing if I want to duplicate the first slide, just right click on it and duplicate slide. So I have two slides of each, right? But the slides here are numbered like slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. Okay. Now you can add a title to your slide from here. Let's say insert. You can choose either a text box to write some text on your slide or word art. I suggest to choose the word art. Looks much more better in font, like for example, hello my dear students, and I can replace my text anywhere I want. Definitely by clicking on the outside border of the text, you can always go to home and increase the size or decrease the size as per your need. You can also double click on this one. You can always change your font style. Like you see, I will choose this one. Okay. You can change your fill of your text from here also. You can choose any fill that you want, right? And you can choose the text outline. For example, I want the text outline to be yellow, so it looks that way. Now always you can add again, insert word art. Okay, this lesson is about MS PowerPoint. You click on the border of your text again, and you can change your word art as you wish. Definitely I will just change the background. I will make it solid fill, and I will just pick this color so my text looks more clear, and change this text to a better clear word art text. Okay, on my second slide I just have to click on my second slide here, okay, and start my PowerPoint presentation. As I told you, you can make always a slideshow. Okay, and you have here, if you click on the slideshow tab, you have so many options here. Start slide from beginning, start slideshow from the current slide, or from a custom slide that you can choose, right? For example, I wanted to start from 3, okay, or I wanted to start from the beginning. As you see here, if I click on it, then it's under mouse click, it's gonna view my slides. Now you have in the view tab, there are so many ways that to show your slide. There is a normal. This is what we call normal view, and we have slide sorter view. It shows all your slides like this, right? You can pick the slides from here, and there is note pages. You can write your note under each slide. This slide like this, for example, this slide is explanation about, for example, background. You can use also this slideshow like I showed you before. So there are 4 ways to view your slides. You have the normal slide, you have the slide sorter, and by default it is a normal slide. So normal slide and slide sorter, note pages, and slideshow. Okay, you have also here something called slide master. Okay, slide master, okay, it will create for you, okay, a palette that you have to put your, it shows you like